Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how to make the black hole shape. We are using a regular length cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop, please make one yourself. The link to the tutorial video is in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread out your cat's cradle string loop. Hook one end of the loop onto your left thumb and pinky. Keep the string parallel and hook the other end of the loop onto your right thumb and pinky. With your right pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left hand. Now, do the same on the other side. With your left pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string between the two vertical strings on your right hand. Next, with the help of your right fingers, twist the string around your left thumb toward you twice. Do the same on the right hand. With your left fingers, twist the string around your right thumb toward you twice. Then, with your right fingers, twist the string around your left pinky away from yourself twice. Do the same on the right pinky. Twist the string twice away from yourself. Here comes the tricky part. With both thumbs, go into the blue dotted space. Pick up the starred strings with the backs of your thumbs and then come back out of the blue dotted space. Next, put the middle fingers and ring fingers of both hands into the blue dotted space. Pinch the starred strings and come back out. After bringing the strings out, you will see that I hook them onto my ring fingers. Now, move the left hand ring finger string onto the left pinky. Do the same on the right hand. Move the right hand ring finger string onto the pinky. Almost done! Put both pointer fingers into the blue dotted spaces. And ta-da! It's the black hole! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Twisting the strings is the key to this shape. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing until you feel comfortable. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.